If you're under a current maintenance subscription, QuickBid offers several accounting software specific export formats for your job and material budgets. If you use software that doesn't already have its own export, you can potentially use the job data file export to create one. Start by selecting Exports at the top of the screen from inside a bid for which you wish to create the job data file export. When the Bid Exports window opens, you may find multiple exports are already selected. If you only want to export the job data file, click the Select None button at the bottom of the screen to quickly uncheck all currently selected options. Then, select the Job Data File export under the Accounting and Custom Exports heading. You can include or exclude specific divisions, sections, areas, and typical areas by deselecting the options on the right. For example, if I were only interested in exporting the job data for Division 9 work on Floor 2, I could uncheck all other divisions and bid areas to exclude them. If you have accepted alternates or change orders attached to your bid, those are included in the export by default. You can exclude that information by unchecking the box next to each option. These fields are grayed out if you don't have an alternate or change order attached to your bid. Include bid number and use account codes are not applied to the job data file, although the account codes associated with each cost code are exported whether the option is selected or not. Upon exporting, the file is saved in the database folder with a name based on the name of the bid or change order by default. If you want to change where the file is saved or what it's named, click the Options button to open the Modify Options window. Click the magnifying glass, then browse to a new file location or enter a new file name. Just don't change the file type. Press Enter or click the Open button to accept the changes. Click the OK button to save and close the Modify Options window. When you're ready to export the file, click the Export button at the bottom of the Bid Exports window. Now, browse to the file location of your new export and open the file in your favorite spreadsheet editor. The Job Data File export includes such fields as the master format sections, bid or typical area assignments, cost types such as labor, material, equipment, other, or sub, cost and account codes, quantities, labor hours in various formats, tax and burden information, and total costs. The Job Data File export is a cost export. It does not include overhead or profit figures. Please consult your accounting software provider to determine what information is required for their program. Then, modify the contents of the data file export as needed for a successful import.